In 2026, you're going to be told to buy dozens of different life-changing stocks. You'll hear about some tech company that's about to change the world, or a speculative crypto that's supposedly going to the moon. But the simple, powerful truth? My entire investment strategy for financial freedom fits on a post-it note. And today, I'm going to share it with you. Let's be real for a second. The world of investing can feel like a chaotic casino. Every single day, there's a new headline, a new expert, a new can't-miss opportunity. People are glued to their screens, riding the emotional roller coaster of daily market swings, trying to time the perfect moment to buy and sell. Not only is this incredibly stressful, for most people, it's a losing game. It's designed to make you trade more, worry more, and ultimately earn less. This constant chase for the next big thing is exhausting. It turns your financial goals into anxiety. But there is another way. A strategy so simple it almost feels like cheating, yet so powerful it's used by some of the most successful investors in history. It's not built on guessing, it's built on growth. Not on frantic clicks, but on patience. My philosophy is simple. I don't try to beat the market. I let the market work for me. Instead of searching for the one winning needle in a giant haystack, I just buy the whole haystack. This is passive investing. You're not betting on one company, you're investing in the entire global economy. Over time, human innovation, productivity, and progress have consistently moved the world forward. When you own a piece of all of it, you're betting on human progress itself. And that leads us to the most powerful force in finance: compounding. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a long hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it grows faster and bigger. Your money does the same. Your returns start generating their own returns. Over time, this becomes incredibly powerful. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-wealthy-smart plan. So here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Buy the world. The foundation of my portfolio is a low-cost global index fund. This allows you to own thousands of companies across the entire world in one single investment. You're instantly diversified across regions, industries, and economies. And the best part? The fees are extremely low. That means almost all of your money stays invested and working for you. Step 2. Trust time. Markets go up and down, that's normal. But over the long run, they trend upward. By investing consistently, you allow time and compounding to do the heavy lifting. For example, if you invest $500 per month for 30 years, you could end up with over $1.1 million. You only contributed $180,000. The rest comes from compounding. That's the power of staying consistent. Step 3. Automate everything. This is what makes the strategy actually work. Every month, I automatically invest the same amount, no matter what the market is doing. When prices are high, I buy fewer shares. When prices are low, I buy more. This removes emotion, fear, and guesswork completely. No timing, no stress, just consistency. And finally, one critical piece: the emergency fund. This is 3 to 6 months of expenses kept separate from your investments. It's your safety net. If something unexpected happens, you use this, not your investments. This protects your portfolio and allows compounding to continue uninterrupted. Think of it as a firewall for your wealth. So to recap, buy the whole world, automate your investing, build an emergency fund. That's it. In a world full of noise, simplicity is powerful. This strategy isn't about excitement, it's about peace of mind. It allows your wealth to grow quietly in the background while you focus on your life. If you found this helpful, leave a like and comment, and check out more videos from our channel. This is Growth Minded. Thanks for watching.